Question 22. This here is a regular data sufficiency question. And we need to find out that how many people in a group of 50 own neither a fax machine nor a laser printer. So we need to find out the value of number of people owning none equals to question mark. What do I know? So I know that there are 50 people. Okay, that is our data. And I can make a table like this. Okay, so here again we have two variables. Which are they? First one is fax machine. Second is no fax machine. And the second variable is printer or laser printer. Here it will be no laser printer. Okay, so now we know that there are total of 50 people. Total we know. Okay, so what else do I need to know? So I need to find out the value of people who own neither a fax machine nor a laser printer. So this is our target value. This box is our target value. If anyhow we can reach to this, or if anyhow we are able to calculate this, our question will be solved. Okay, so let us quickly jump to options. Before that, what else do I need to answer? Is the number of people. Okay, owning none. So it is same as the answer one. Okay, statement one says that the number of people in the group who own a fax machine or a laser printer or both is less than 50. Okay, so the number of people who owns laser printer only. Okay, laser printer only. Let us take this as A, or a fax machine only, which is B. This value. Okay, fax machine but not laser printer. Laser printer but not fax machine. And both is this. Okay, fax machine and laser printer is less than 50. So A plus B plus C is less than 50. Okay, and D here is some value, and we know that, let us take it as D. Okay, so we know that A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 50, total number of people, right? Because this will be A plus C, this will be B plus D. If we add all of them, then we will get 50 overall. But they are saying that A plus B plus C plus D is less than 50. So from this, can we, from this two information, can we find out the value of D? We want the value of D, right? Number of people owning none is equals to D is equals to question mark. Okay, so we want the value of D. So from this, will we be able to figure out the value of D? No, means it can be anything less than 50. If A plus B plus C is 49, then D is 1. If A plus B plus C is 40, then D is 10. Okay, so we are not getting any definite answer here. So whenever we are not getting any definite answer, this was statement 1. Okay, then the statement is not sufficient. And whenever statement 1 is not sufficient, we simply cross AD. Now let us jump to statement 2. So statement 2 says that the total number of people in the group who own both a fax machine and a laser printer is 15. So they are given the value of the number of people owning both fax machine and laser printer, which is C. C is equals to 15. 15 is what they have given. But from C, can we calculate the value of D? No, we don't know the value of A or B or D, none of them. Okay, so from this information only we cannot figure out the value of D, or the number of people who are owning none. Okay, so B is gone. Now let us club both of them. Whenever both statements are not sufficient, we club both of them. By clubbing both of them, we can say that A plus B plus C is less than 50 and C is equals to 15. So A plus B is less than 35. We are subtracting C from both the sides, which means we are subtracting 15 from both the sides. Okay, so from this information, A plus B is less than 35, and this information, okay, A plus B plus C, or here also let us put a plus b plus c plus d is equals to, or let me remove c from the equation only. So I will get a new equation as a plus b plus d is equals to 50 minus 15, which is 35 again. Okay, and a plus b is less than 35. So if a plus b is 34, then d is 1. If a plus b is 30, if a plus b is 30, then d will be 5, and so on. Okay, 30. This is 30. So we are still not getting a definite answer for D, or the number of people who are neither owning fax machine or laser printer. So both the statements combined are also not sufficient to answer our problem. So we cross on C, and our correct answer will be E. I hope it is clear.